Hi friends, welcome to Korshika. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to customize Oscar templates by forking or copying it. There are two methods to customize the Oscar templates. In the last tutorial, I taught you the first method, that is customizing the Oscar templates by extending it. If you have not gone through it, please go through it and then see this tutorial. You will get to learn the two methods in depth. So at the end of this tutorial, I have customized this site, and here I have changed the logo and the shop name and the tagline. Here is also the shop name and the tagline changes are reflected. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Korshika, because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now let's start the tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to use second method for customizing the Oscar templates, that is forking or copying the template. So here this is the Django project I have created, and I have already did all the settings for Oscar. And here I have opened the Django Oscar library which I cloned from GitHub, and it is of the same version which I used in my project. Now here let's run the server py manage.py run server. Now I will open this link. So here first I want to change this logo, and the code for the logo is given in Oscar's base.html template inside the block favicon. You can see here it is the path of the logo. And in the second method for customizing this template, we fork or copy the template into our local project so that it comes first in the include path. And in this method also we need to create the same template path for the template. So here the template path is templates Oscar, and here is the base.html. So first we need to create a project specific templates directory that comes first in the include path. So here I will create directory templates, and inside this templates directory we need to create Oscar directory. Okay. Next we need to configure that Django should look for our templates directory for templates. For example, customize base.html template before Oscar's base.html. So here I will add some template settings. So this is the function that will determine the full path for our directories. So inside the template setting, in directories, here I will call the function location with the argument templates, and this function will return full path for templates directory. So next we need to copy Oscar's base.html template. So I will copy here in our project Oscar directory. Here I will paste. So this is our base.html template. So now you have a full control over this template for customizing. But in the first method we extends Oscar template, and we can customize only the blocks that we need to. So here I want to change this logo. So first I will create static Oscar directory. Here static, inside it I will create Oscar directory, and in this directory I will paste my logo, that is with the name logo.png. So this is my logo. So here I will change the path after Oscar /logo.png. Now let's refresh here. Now you can see I have successfully changed the logo. Now I want to change the shop name here, the Oscar, and after dash I want to give the shop tagline. So the code for the shop name and the tagline is given in the same base.html template in the block title here using shop name and shop tagline template variables, and the values for these variables can be changed by using Oscar shop name and Oscar shop tagline settings. Now let's do this. Now in settings file I will type here Oscar shop name equals to, I will give FlexiFlow pipes, and Oscar shop tagline I will give here pipes flexibility at any shape. Now let's refresh the page here. You can see here I have changed the shop name and the shop tagline successfully, and it is also shown here. So in this tutorial you learned how to customize the Oscar templates by forking or copying the templates. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Korshika to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.